So, hello everyone, I'm from ACMTC. Today we are very glad to have Dr. Johnson Kress and Mr. Ami Kasper and Director Mr. Xing to have interview with us. So, can you please introduce yourself? Thank you, sir.
My name is Jochen Kress. I'm president and owner of company Mapal, a German but global cutting tool manufacturer.
刚才这位是我们 Mapal 公司的总裁，他也是公司的所有者，他叫 Jochen Kress。
My name is Armin Kasper. I'm responsible for the Asia Pacific business inside of Mapal. Thank you very much.
我右手的这位叫 Armin Kasper， 他是负责我们亚太区的销售。
那各位观众朋友，大家上午好！我现在呢是在首届中国国际进口博览会展会的现场。我现在所处的展位呢，就是来自德国马帕刀具的展位。我是来自爱直播的张华。This is Harley from Intelligent Manufacturing Lab.
Okay, let's start with the first question for Dr. Johnson Kress. So, what's your expectations for the first China Import Expo? And do you see any signals from this expo?
So Mapal is traditionally very strong in the automotive industry and also beginning to its activities in the aerospace industry. So we see this as a great opportunity to make a bigger name for ourselves and to get more contacts into the wider China area and into new industries as well.
Mapal 过去在汽车工业非常强大，现在呢，我们也在其他的不同的领域也在做。大家可以看到这一次的主题就是航空航天业。我们也希望在借用这个展台，在航空航天业，在其他的领域做一些工作。
And the signal that this exhibition is sending, I think, is heard throughout the world. Already yesterday, I saw some news on the German websites. So we hope that what we heard yesterday will actually become true. An open a world with open borders and global trade, because we believe that it's beneficial to all of us, and we hope that this is the signal that this exhibition will send and that will be heard all around the world.
他从这个展会上也获得了很多的信号。昨天呢，在德国的媒体也在报道说，我们习大大已经在讲，我们会一个开放的平台，我们会向全世界，我们做这样一个世界首次的这种进口以进口为主的这样一个博览会，我们希望这个能变成一个事实，我们会获得一些成功。
Thank you. So the second question for Mr. Armin Kasper, based on the exhibits displayed in this exhibition, so can you please provide us one or two cases that showing the Mapal's strengths in solving the technical problems?
Our focus on this exhibition, beside displaying our overall product range, is to stay focused on the requirements for the aerospace industry.
就是刚才在问我们这次的展览，我们这次展览的一些主题都是什么？我们关注的主题是什么？因为我们这次展览，就像刚才说的，我们这一次呢，最主要的一个主题是航空航天业。
In the aerospace industry, you have very special requirements. High technology products are needed, and we are displaying this kind of products here on our show. So you can see our fine boring tools for special applications, but you also see other cases like tool dispensing units for the tool management in direction, I'm thinking about direction of Industry 4.0. We are also displaying this kind of products here on this booth.
对航空航天业来讲，它的刀具是精度要求是非常高的，所以呢，大家也可以看到，在我的展台上有很多航空航天的产品，包括我们过去的传统的导条刀具，我们也用在航空航天上。除过我们展台上有很多航天航空的刀具之外，大家可以看到我们这里也有我们的刀具分发系统。我们也在工业4.0这个领域，我们做一些工作。
Okay.
Thank you. So the third question for Dr. Johnson again. For the EMO exhibition to be held in Hanover, Germany next year, can you provide us any news that which can be reviewed in advance for Chinese visitors?
So Of course, it's all top secret.
Yeah.
But what you will see more from us, of course, products that we've already started. So you see aerospace products more for the, even more so for the aerospace industry. There will be a strong focus for die and mold. We have interesting developments, and that will continue to be so for the tool holders, but also very strong and interesting ideas in regards of smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0.
刚才主持人问，在 EMO 公司准备为中国观众展现的什么东西？他也在说了，其实这是一个很机密的问题了，不适合在这个场合说。但是呢，他也可以告诉大家，航空航天也是我们的一个主题，我们会展出一些在航空航天领域我们的一些成就。另外呢，在模具行业，在工业4.0，我们都会有一些展示。
Okay, thank you, Dr. Kress and Armin Kasper. I must say, just Armin Kasper, you answered the question maybe I want to ask before. So my first question I want to know, except the aerospace tools we showed in this show, do we have some other products that we take to present at the first CIIE?
Yes. As I said before, we are displaying the complete product range of our tools, so our very well-known fine boring tools, as well as our diamond tools we are presenting here, and so we give the customers an impression about the overall product range of Mapal. So not only specific for the aerospace industry, for other industries as well. So this is what we show here on this time's show.
主持人在问，我们除过航空航天的刀具之外，我们在其他的产品方面，我们还有没有其他的一些展示？阿明卡斯珀先生告诉大家，就是说，大家可以看到展台上，除过航空航天这个主题之外，我们事实上展示了我们其他的所有的刀具，就像他刚才提到的那个精堂刀，这是我们在这个领域比较著名的一个刀具，包括一些其他的刀柄，包括其他的一些刀具，我们有各种各样的刀具都在这块有展览。
OK， 谢谢邢总。Now the next question, as we all know, with the development of new normal in the last 2 years in China market, and the promotion of Made in China 2025. Many Chinese enterprises are facing great pressure and transformation and upgrading. So, during this environment, how can Mapal better help Chinese manufacturers? How about the sales number of Mapal China last year and this year?
So to the first part, how can Mappa support Chinese customers? When we talk about China 2025, it's exploring new industries and becoming number one in many areas.
就是对中国将来市场，Mappa 做的一些工作了。其实在中国市场已经是一个对我们来讲，过去这些年我们一直在中国市场存在，我们一直在强烈的支持中国市场。
And if you look at manufacturing, what does becoming number one require? And of course, it's quality of the product. It's speed, how fast can I manufacture it? And of course, it's how can I achieve minimum costs? And Mappa is there to support our customers in this.
就是对于我们制造2025来讲，有3个基本的要求，质量、速度以及加工成本，这个就是我们客户的最基础的要求，我们要满足客户的要求。
And I think what we can offer is not only providing products, but engage with a discussion with our customers. What is the best possible solution for his way of manufacturing? And so we have come from providing tools to a complete solution provider to our customer.
就是对我们来讲，对客户的需求，我们不是提供一个单一的刀具，我们对客户希望跟客户深入的讨论，我们希望给客户提供一个完整的解决方案。
And I think you asked us about the numbers, and I think because we have seen big growth in China over the last years, I think this is because we have moved again from providing only tools to being a good partner, technology partner to our customers.
你刚才问了销售指标方面的信息，事实上呢，我们就是就是从一个单一的刀具销售商，这样成为一个技术合作伙伴这样一个角色。
Thank you, Dr. Kress. The next question I want to know, in the next future, what is the strategic plan of Mapal China in Chinese market?
Okay, the strategy for us, and we clearly say to us, China is our home market. Yeah, it's not like we have Germany, but we also have China as our home market. So that's why we are investing to have more capability here. Already now I'm proud to say that some of the things done in China, we only do in China. But also really is to take it to the next level, to have more products made in China for China. And then also spreading into other industries as we have already done in other parts of the world.
就是中国市场对我们来讲，就像我们自己的市场，我们自己的家乡市场一模一样的。我们在中国会做更多的产品，为中国市场做出我们自己的产品。
As you mentioned, you just talk about the Chinese market. For Mapal China is the home market. So I want to add one more question. How we promote our localization in China market for Mapal China?
Well, actually, when we talk about home market, we say it's not only for Mapal China. We say it's for the Mapal Group. For Mapal Group as such, it's a home market. And as I said, we are technology partners to our customers. We provide dedicated solutions. So a lot of the engineering we do today is actually local. And then we combine that with the know-how and the experience that we have gathered in other parts of the world.
就是我们讲，中国市场是我们的自己的家乡市场，这个不是指仅仅我们中国这一方面，我们是整个公司集团，整个公司集团，我们把这里作为我们自己的市场，我们会各个方面在中国市场来工作，我们会在中国，也成立一些其他的一些机构，在中国为中国市场来服务。
And now, as a next step, we only last year we've already doubled our production in China, and currently we're discussing how to even further increase our production capacities here, because we believe in order to really serve the market well, we need to produce or have a bigger local footprint here.
就是仅仅是去年年底，我们在中国已经把我们的产能翻番了。同样的，我们会在最近我们会在中国市场有更多的投资，更多的生产规模，我们会在中国市场建立起来。
We're waiting for the news for Mapal.
Okay, I think maybe already beginning of next year there might be something that we could communicate.
Thank you for your time. Thanks for the.
Thank you, gentlemen. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Stress. 谢谢您，邢总，也感谢邢总。OK。